Hello children, welcome back. So, today I will teach you English language and I will start with chapter number 5, gender. So, first of all, I will tell you what is gender. Okay, children, gender is something by which we identify about male, female, common or neuter. So, these all are the types of gender. First one is masculine gender, second is feminine, third is common, and fourth is neuter. So, children, I will explain you one by one to each gender. Okay, so first one is masculine gender. A gender that stands for a male person or animal is said to be the masculine gender. For example, gentleman, father, brother, prince, king, boy, etc. It means a noun by which we can understand that this is male. Okay, as you all learnt in Hindi also. In Hindi we say gender, we used to say gender as लिंग. लिंग कितने प्रकार के होते हैं? So types of लिंग कितने प्रकार के होते हैं? वो होते हैं पुल्लिंग, स्त्रीलिंग. That पुल्लिंग is masculine gender, स्त्रीलिंग is feminine gender. So this is also the same one. Okay, the next one is feminine gender. In Hindi we can say it. We say striling. So, a noun that stands for a female person or animal is said to be of the feminine gender. A noun by which we can identify that this is a male person, a female person, or a female animal is said to be of the feminine gender. For example, lady, mother, sister, princess, queen, girl, etc. Now come to common gender. A common gender, a noun that can be used for either a male or a female person or animal is said to be of the common gender. This is something different. This is the noun by which we can understand that this is common, like these words, noun which are the words which are used for both, for female also, for male also, like teacher. Teacher, who is teacher? Teacher may be lady also, feminine also, female also, or male also. So if we are saying teacher, this word is in common. We can use this word for both. Okay, like friend also we can use for both, like male friend also or female friend also. In same way, soldier, animal, guests. So these all are the words which are used as common gender. So now, first of all, we will begin with warm-up exercise. Read the sentences and write the highlighted words in the correct columns. It means you have to fill in these columns from these sentences. If the word is in masculine gender, then you write it in masculine gender column. If it is feminine gender, then write it in feminine gender column. And if it is common gender, then write it in common gender column. So first one is, the gentleman standing near the table is my father. So in this, gentleman is the highlighted word and this is masculine gender. So we will write it in here masculine gender in this column. And Next one is father. Father is also masculine gender. We will write in masculine gender column. Teacher. Teacher is common gender. As I told you, we don't know about which teacher the sentence is saying, whether it is male teacher or female teacher. So we will write it in common gender. The lady beside him is my mother. Mother is lady, female, so it is feminine gender. So we will write in feminine column here. And both of them are teachers. Teachers again teachers is coming, so this is common gender. Okay, so write teacher only one time in common gender. Second one, I have a brother. Brother is male, so masculine gender, and a sister, female, feminine gender. We are going to a fancy dress party this evening. My brother is dressed like a prince. Prince is masculine gender. My sister is going as a princess. Princess is feminine gender, F. So write it in feminine gender column. And I am going as a soldier. Soldier is common gender. So write it in common gender column. Now third one is many other boys and girls are at fancy dress party. So boys masculine gender, girls feminine gender, and there is a king masculine, a queen feminine, and some friends is common, so write it in common gender, are dressed up as animals. Animals are also as common gender. I hope you got this exercise, you understand this exercise. So come to next. Before coming to next exercise, this is the answers of warm-up exercise. So you can look from here and do correctly. Now this is the next exercise. Here A exercise is given. Some before that there are some rules for forming the feminine gender. For some words we add ESS to masculine nouns. Sometimes the spelling may have to be changed slightly before ESS is added. Means when we change masculine to feminine, in some of the spellings we have to add ESS. Okay, like prince, princess, waiter, waitress, god, goddess. So in some of the spellings we have to, here look here, in princess only I have added SS. Okay, here waiter only ESS is added, but the spelling is changed. Sometimes we have to change slightly the spelling. There is slight changes in the spelling before adding the ESS. Same way, God, double D will also here sing once more D also come. So GODD ESS. Now, next rule is the feminine gender of many nouns is formed differently, like men, woman, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, husband, wife, headmaster, headmistress, hero, heroine, landlord, landlady, bridegroom, bride only, and nephew and niece. Next rule is animals and some birds can also be divided into masculine and feminine gender. For example, tiger, tigress, bull, cow, lion, lioness, fox, vixen, cock, hen. So, here is one exercise given. Exercise A. Use the words given in the box to complete the masculine and feminine pairs correctly. So, I am marking in the hint given in the box. I am marking 1, 2, 3, 4. You write as I will give the answers. You write from there. Gander, answer is feminine. We have to change goose. Next one is buck. Buck feminine is doe. Now we have to you have to answer in masculine gender. Feminine is given. Cow is feminine. Answer is bull. Male of cow is bull. Fourth one, vixen. Vixen is also feminine. So masculine of vixen is fox. Fifth one, mare. Answer is stallion. Sixth one, queen bee. What we call queen bee, this is a feminine gender, and what is the masculine gender of queen bee is drone. Now next one, peahen. So answer is peacock. Eighth one, Eve. Answer is ram. Duck. Answer masculine of duck is drake. And the last one is here we have to tell the feminine of this boar. Boar, sow. Okay. So move to next six. These are the answers of this exercise. Now move to next exercise. Exercise B. Change the gender of the highlighted nouns. Make other necessary changes also. So like first one, our landlady, we have to change the gender. If it is given in male, then you have to change it in female. If it is given in female, then you have to change it in male. And according to that, you have to change wherever necessary. If in the sentence, if it is written like her, and we are telling about lady, about female, then it is okay. If we are telling about male, then her will change to his. Like in this first sentence, it is given, our landlady lives with her 2 dogs who keep her company. So when we change landlady, this is female. When we change it in male, so it will become our landlord. Landlady will change to landlord. Lives with, now landlord is male, so we will write in place of her, we will write his. Okay. These kind of necessary changes you have to do. Our landlord lives with his 2 dogs who keep her company. हर कंपनी तो मीन्स वो लेडी की कंपनी के बारे में बात हो रही. हर कम्स फॉर द लेडी, फॉर द फीमेल. And when we are changing that female to male, we have to change according to that only. So our landlord lives with his 2 dogs who keep him company. Okay. So next one, my brother lives in Nongpo. Here is brother. So what we will write in place of brother, we have to change it in female. So what we will write in place of brother, we will write sister. Okay. So my sister lives in Nongpo. Now next one, third one, my grandfather is nearly 80 years old. So in place of grandfather, what we will write? We will write grandmother. Grandmother. Now next, Mr. Bhatia's nephew is a software professional. So Mr. Bhatia's nephew, in place of nephew we will write niece. Next one, the king prayed to the gods for rain. What will come in place of king? We will write here queen. The queen prayed to the gods for rain. Sixth one, the man and his wife boarded the train at Nagpur. The man will change in woman and wife will change in husband. But here man is there ना. First of all here comes man. तो ये यहाँ इस सेंटेंस में मैन के लिए कहा जा रहा है, तो मैन और उसकी वाइफ, तो हिज is coming in this sentence. Now when we change this man to woman, now we are telling about women only. For female, so we will change his to her. Here his also will change to her. So now next, come to next, seventh one, the lady and her friend took care of the children. Same way like we have done in the sixth one. The lady, in place of lady we will write here the gentleman. Now we are telling about a male, not a female. We are telling about a male. So and her friend, in place of her we will write here his. And his friend took care of the children. Friend and children are common gender, so there is no need to change this, because these are we can write these words for both. Okay. Now eighth one, Priya's aunt and mother are news reporters. So in place of aunt and mother we have to change. So in place of aunt we will write uncle, Priya's uncle, and mother, in place of mother we will write father. Okay, the Priya's uncle and father are news reporters. Next one, the waitress took our order for lunch. So in place of waitress we will write here waiter. Took our order for lunch. The headmaster of the boys' school is very strict. Here, headmaster of the girls' school will come. Headmaster of the girls' school. Headmaster, in place of headmaster we will write here headmistress. And in place of boys we will write girls. The headmistress of the girls' school is very strict. Next one, my uncle will come along with his son. Answer is my aunt will come along with her daughter. Next one, the princess has a beautiful white mare. In place of princess we will write here prince, and has a beautiful mare. In place of mare we will write stallion. The gentleman took my teacher to the hospital. So in place of gentleman we will write here lady. Took my teacher to the hospital. Now come to next page. Question number 14. My father is my hero. So in place of father, mother will come. And in place of hero, when we will change hero to female, it will become heroine. My mother is my heroine. The ferocious lion attacked the fox and injured it badly. So, the ferocious lioness in place of lioness, lion will come. Attack the fox, in place of fox, vixen will come. I hope you got it, and answers of this exercise is here. Okay, you can do from here. Now next one is, yes, neuter gender. I have not told about this neuter gender. A noun that stands for non-living thing is said to be of the neuter gender. Now I'm telling about neuter gender. What is neuter gender? Noun that stands for non-living things. Up to now we are talking about only and only about living things. Living things, those are male, are called masculine gender. Those are female, are called feminine gender. Those are both. We can use those words for both. Are called common gender. But when we talk about the non-living things, nouns that stands for non-living things is said to be neuter gender. And the nouns of the neuter gender are neither the मस्कुलाइन नॉर फेमिनाइन. वो ना तो मस्कुलाइन होते हैं, ना फेमिनाइन होते हैं, ना ही कॉमन भी होते हैं. इसलिए उसको हम न्यूटर जेंडर कहते हैं, जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स होते हैं. लाइक वी कैन से टेबल, पर्स, बस और शर्ट और एनी नॉन लिविंग थिंग. Now, here is the exercise given. Write these nouns in the correct columns. So, some of the words are given here. We have to put them in correct columns. One column is common gender and other column is neuter gender. So, parent, principal. I am giving this exercise as a homework, but don't cheat children, because I am giving you the answers of this also now in this video only. First, before looking the answers, first try to do by yourself. Okay, after that you can match the answers with the answer key which I have given you in the next slide. Answers are here, but don't cheat. First do by yourself and then you can check the answers. Okay, so this is the chapter up to here only, and we will I hope you understand this chapter, and we will start the next chapter in the next video. So till then, goodbye.